This movie is produced by Aida Chemical Industries, who is the manufacturer of art clay product. This is the series of tutorial, comprising 15 movies, introducing different technique of art clay. We hope you learn how to make a silver jewelry work with art clay product from this movie.
Take out art clay silver clay type from original package and shape it round roughly. Draw your ring length guideline on a cooking sheet, and shape the clay into a rope with your finger in about 2/3 length of the guideline. Try rolling the clay to be even shape and diameter. If the clay dries up, it may cause crack or breaking, so keep working as moisten the piece. Before attaching clay around a wood mandrel, moisten the entire surface as well as self-adhesive memo on the mandrel. It helps the clay for not making crack and fixing in the position firmly. Press the edge of the clay firmly to the paper on the mandrel, and start wrapping around by pressing with a finger lightly to fix well. Please note if the clay is not fixed, and leaving a gap, it will cause distortion, and larger ring size after firing than you expected. If clay is too slippery on the paper or too sticky on your fingers, the clay have too much moisture. In that case, wait the clay dries a little bit to control moisture and continue working. Moisten both ends of the clay and smooth the overlapped part with a moistured finger to make a beautiful join. After smoothing a join, treat the edge of the clay to be attached on the mandrel with a stick tool such as a burnisher. Refine entire shape and check if the piece has any crack. If you find any crack, moisten and smooth the surface to fix. After drying the ring completely, sliding it off from the mandrel, pinch the end of the memo with the tweezers, and remove it by rotating the ring. If any memo paper left inside of the ring, sand it off with a sponge sanding pad. Refine the shape with a file and sponge sanding pad. First, use the file. Use flat part of the file. File off the side of the ring to be flat. When you file, move your file forward while rotating the ring. Hold the file at an angle to make center of the ring is round and thickest. Treat one side, and do same on the other side around. Keep filing until entire ring shape is balanced. After refining entire shape, smooth the surface with a sponge sanding pad. It is made with soft sponge material so it is suitable to sand curve design. Smooth inside of the ring as well.